What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a fantastic week. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you guys are enjoying your Monday. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison between shotgun mics versus wireless mics. Now, I'm going to be switching back and forth between both my A6400, which is running my Rode Wireless Go 2, and my Sony ZV-1, which is running my Takstar 598. Now, this isn't going to be like a super comprehensive video. This is just going to be basically showing you the basics in terms of what works best for you when you're starting off your first YouTube channel. So I guess you can say this is more of a kind of beginner's guide to what's going to work best for you depending on your style of vlogging and video recording. So right now, as I said before, I am primarily shooting on my Rode Wireless Go 2 mics. Now, I actually have two versions of these. I have that one, and then I also have these, which is the actual first set of Rode Wireless Go mic sets. Now, the differences between this versus a shotgun mic is that this is an omnidirectional mic. So you're probably hearing some form of background noise, background wind in the background. You're hearing some noise in the background. That is because mics on wireless systems, they're omnidirectional. So they're going to get all sorts of noise, whether it's from the front, the sides, or even behind you. So although it's not as much, but you will notice it with a wireless mic system, is that they will get all of that noise from the background. That's not a bad thing. You can always fix that in post edit, but that is the differences between using a wireless versus a shotgun mic. Now also there is price involved as well. So with the Rode Wireless Go, that sets you back about $200, and the Rode Wireless Go 2, they set you back about $300. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch from my A6400 to my Sony ZV-1, and then I'm gonna be talking a little bit about the shotgun mic, and you'll probably notice a lot of it. You'll probably notice that much of a difference in audio quality. So we're going to switch from the Sony ZV-1. We're going to switch from my A6400 to my ZV-1. I'm going to do that now. Now we are shooting on my Takstar 958. So you may notice that the audio quality has differed between the Wireless Go and the Takstar. That is because the Takstar is a directional shotgun mic, which means that all of the audio that I'm speaking is going directly into the front. If there's any background noise in the back, that is basically just shunned out by the mic, because again, it is a directional, which means that whatever direction the mic is facing, that is where the majority of the audio quality will be received, as opposed to the wireless Rode, the Wireless Go system, where it is omnidirectional, so it gets audio quality of the audio signal from everything. So there are two different switches on this that are used for this. This depends on if you use them or not. There's a switch for sensitivity, which basically tones up the volume, or should it tones up the microphone so you get a little bit more audio quality. It kind of enhances the audio quality of the shotgun mic. And then you also have the bass filter switch, which kind of reduces all of the ambient excess noise that you get when you're using this out in a vlog, out in the city, or if you're just in your room doing any type of vlogs. And then you also have an on and off switch for this, which this does require a AA battery to charge to actually work this mic. Now, it doesn't power on the 3.5mm jack like you would say the Rode Video Micro, or with the Rode Video Go. That's just the gist of how this camera works. But again, price-wise, it's actually not bad. Again, this is only a $35 microphone, as opposed to both Rode mics, one being $60 for the Video Micro and $100 for the Video Go. But again, it just depends on what you're looking for in terms of price and budget. But I would recommend the shotgun mic over the wireless, just for the fact that when you're doing your videos, you're just basically speaking right into the camera, so all your audio is going to be going into that. It just depends on your style of vlogging. Now, if you're doing like an interview, or if you're doing some sort of a video where you need to set the microphone or your camera down on a tripod, you need to step away from it, then the shotgun mic would not be actually worth doing that with, because it's only going to be able to pick up as much sound as possible. If you are near the mic, the further away you are, the more background noise it's going to pick up, and that's not what you'd want with the shotgun mic. So if you're planning on doing that with a shotgun mic, I would recommend going with a wireless system, as it does allow you to carry the receiver with you. That way you can talk and still have the receiver pick it up, and it still sends signal to the transmitter. That way you still get the same better audio quality. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch now back from, or we're going to switch from the Takstar back to my World Wireless Go. And again, I'm going to have a description, or have a link in the description below for all of the mics I just talked about. So we're going to switch back to that one now. And now we are back on the A6400 with my Wireless Go system now. Obviously, the audio quality is going to be different. It really depends on your style of vlogging. A lot of vloggers like to use the shotgun mic because it's a directional mic. So when you are talking on it, it's basically getting all the audio directly from you to the mic, as opposed to with a wireless system, where technically you could use it just like you would in a shotgun setting, but you will get all of the noise and background and ambient noises in the background on that, because again, the Rode wireless mic is a omnidirectional mic, which means that you're not just getting audio from the front, but from the sides and from the rear. And again, you can kind of change that up in post edit. But if you are not familiar with video editing programs or video editing software, it does tend to be a little bit difficult for most. So I would recommend sticking with the shotgun mics for now, and then as you become more and more fluent and more creative in your YouTube channel, as you tend to grow more subscribers and more followers, then I would definitely upgrade my audio quality. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, as these do help me create better content. And again, I want to thank everybody for watching my channel. And again, my name is Black the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video.